Yeah, man. Welcome to my channel. We're taking it to the islands with this recipe. Now that I have your mouth watering, go ahead and hit that like button. For my ingredients, I have green and red bell peppers, red onion, 2 habanero peppers because I likes it hot. You don't have to use 2 habanero peppers. You can make it 1 or none at all. I'll also be using chicken seasoning, jerk seasoning, crushed red peppers, black pepper, raw honey, Maggi cube or Maggi, Cajun seasoning, jerk seasoning marinade, olive oil, and lastly, my chicken wings, washed and pat dried with a paper towel. You want them to be as dry as possible. Before we begin, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button. Your support is greatly appreciated. We've gotten the ingredients out of the way. Now it's time to get into it. Start by blending your peppers and onions together. Add olive oil in the blender instead of water to maintain a thicker consistency. Once you're done blending your ingredients, it should look like this. Now add in your spices, honey, olive oil, and blended mixture. Leave a little in the blender to make a sauce. When it comes to this jerk marinade, it's very salty. A little goes a long way. I'm using 1 to 2 tablespoons, and that's all you need. I suggest you taste it before applying it to your chicken. And also, the blended mixture, although it's not salty, you don't need a lot of it. Again, I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons, and that's all I need. Just a little bit of honey, and you're good to go. Now mix everything together. You put your back into it, grease your elbows, do what you got to do, but make sure every single chicken is nicely coated for the flavor. Okay, so I didn't show the part where I added in my Maggi, and that's because before you can put it in the chicken mixture, you have to grind it in a mortar with a pestle before you can then add it in, just like I'm doing in this clip. As y'all can see, I'm struggling to get this open with these gloves on, but that's okay. If you want some bomb jerk chicken, you're gonna have to exercise a little patience with this dish. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button. Alright, so our Maggi is smoothly ground. Now we can add it to the chicken. I'm scooping everything in there. Get all of it. We need every last bit of it. After adding your Maggi, mix again. I'm sure your arms is tired from all that mixing, but we're finally at the fun part. If your chicken looks like this, nicely coated, well seasoned, look at that, look flavorful, even raw. Now it's time to bake. Okay, so I know I said bake, but set your oven to 350 roast if you have it. If not, 350 bake is fine. I'm laying the wings on a wire rack because jerk chicken should have a dry taste and look, with little moisture as possible. As you're laying the wings, try to space them out as much as possible. If not, it's okay. It's not gonna hurt nothing. Y'all know I gotta get my money's worth, so I'm scooping all this extra sauce, every bit of it. I'm laying it all over the wings, and now it's time to toss in the oven. If your wings don't look like this, you missed a step. Watch this whole video over again, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. So our chicken is in the oven. Leave it in there and let it cook for 15 minutes while we make the sauce. Our sauce is going to consist of butter, jerk sauce, chicken bouillon, crushed red peppers, cilantro, fresh cilantro that is, red and green bell peppers, and red onions finely chopped. Warning, do not use a lot of this jerk sauce. It's mad salty. It looks delicious, but it's mad salty. Put a little in at a time. I put in 1 to 2 tablespoons and then taste. If you need more, add more. While your sauce is cooking, check on the chicken. It should have a little light brown color to it. If it does, like this, go ahead and add your sauce. If not, flip them over, put them back in for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then proceed to add your sauce. I flip mine over and put it back in for a little bit, but they're ready now. I'm using a brush. You can use a spatula or whatever you like to add your sauce. Do 1 wing at a time. Yes, I said 1 wing at a time. For all you professionals watching this and judging me, mind your business, okay? I'm just a home cook. Never claimed to be a chef. But your finished product should look like this. Delicious. Tell me that's not the best jerk wings you've ever seen. Until next time, thanks for watching.